Try another device to continue error 2025. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more Instagram fixes and tutorials. If you're seeing the try another device to continue error on Instagram in 2025, it usually means Instagram has flagged your login as suspicious. Follow these steps to fix it safely. Step 1. Wait 24 to 48 hours. First, stop trying to log in repeatedly. Too many attempts can make the restriction longer. Waiting 24 to 48 hours often removes the temporary block automatically. Step 2. Use a trusted device. Log in using a device you've used before with your Instagram account. Avoid new phones, emulators, or public computers. Step 3. Use your home internet. Connect to your regular Wi-Fi or mobile data. Avoid VPNs, proxies, or public Wi-Fi. These trigger security checks. Step 4. Verify your identity. If Instagram asks for verification, enter the code sent to your email or phone number. Complete any security checks shown on the screen. Step 5. Log in from a browser. Try logging in through a mobile or desktop browser instead of the app. After successful login, wait a few hours, then open the app again. Step 6. Update or reinstall Instagram. Make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. If needed, uninstall and reinstall the app, then try logging in again. Important warnings. Do not use third-party apps or bots. Do not keep retrying logins. Do not use VPNs to bypass the error. These actions can lead to account suspension. Final summary. Wait. Use trusted device. Use normal internet. Verify identity. Log in via browser. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and comment fixed below.